Hey everybody, I'm really excited to share our new feature we're launching today, Save Sections. So I'm going to give you a quick demo around how the new feature works and kind of what the power of it looks like. So basically I'm in a doc space, as you can see here. What Save Sections will allow you to do is that any section that you see in the mini map, you'll be able to save. And so you'll be able to click, there'll be a three dot icon you see there. You'll be able to save every section. You'll be able to give it a name, intro. You'll be able to create it, and it'll get saved to a company library. And what this enables you to do is when you're building a doc space, instead of starting from scratch, which is how it works today, you'll be able to start from a library. And so you'll basically have this picker, this area where you'll be able to see all of the save sections that have been saved to the company library. And as you're building a doc space, you'll be able to really easily drop it in. And so let's say, I'm in the sales cycle, I want to drop in pricing really easily. I would just come in here, add pricing, and then I'll have a couple different options. I'll be able to add it as an editable section, which means I'll be able to make edits to it, or it'll be a sync section. And so I'll kind of show you a couple examples. So I'll add it as an editable section. It gets dropped in right here, and then I can come in here and make changes. I can change whatever I want to it. And then it becomes really easy, right, to sort of add content to a doc space as a relationship progresses. And so let's say I want to add security now, but maybe I want it to be synced because I want the marketing team to be able to update it. I can add it as a sync section. We show this kind of border around it to make sure you don't make a change with other spaces. And then if you wanted to make edits, you could always unlink it. But if not, if you keep it synced, you'll be able to update the changes across all of the different doc spaces that it lives in. And so this new feature really unlocks the ability for you to update a doc space as the relationship progresses, as you maybe switch it from sales to customer success, or hopefully kind of making the whole process a whole lot easier for you. And so you can see as I'm talking, I'm kind of dropping in these different doc space or doc sections into the space. And as I mentioned, every time you do this, you save a section, it's product, let's say we'll create it. That gets saved to a company library, and the company library can be accessed over here from the home screen, from the dashboards. You'll be able to see this library section now where all of the save sections live. Your sections that you create will be in this tab. Company sections across the entire company will be over here. And you'll be able to also edit and create sections from here. And so your marketing team could come in, or leadership can come in to actually create a new section. And it has all of the functionality of the editor does today. And so you'll be able to come in here, create a new section, update the section, and then it'll sync across sections if you want it to. And so this CX intro section, for example, you can see it's in 4 spaces, 1 synced. And if you make changes in here, you can see that it'll update one other space that has sync sections in it. And so that's a little bit of how this feature works, Save Sections. We're really excited. We think it'll make building doc spaces a lot easier to update, and kind of unlock some of the full power of Doc. So if you have any questions about what we've released today, please let me know, alex@doc.us. I'm excited for you to start using it.